Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I get a perfect popcorn ceiling repair every time. You'll also get to see how that plastic bubble holds up while I'm spraying the popcorn texture on the repair. I get a lot of comments on my popcorn matching videos that there's no way to match a popcorn ceiling. Well, if you stick around to the end of the video, you're going to see a perfect popcorn ceiling match. If you're new to the channel, my name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video. Okay, so here's my plastic bubble. I'm ready to spray the popcorn texture on the water damaged ceiling repair that I did in the previous videos. I'm using my Graco RTX 1000 texture rig. It's a small rig that you rent at your local big box store, and you can use it as a hopper or use the rig. I'm using it as the spray rig because I've got some other repairs to do. But basically what you want to do is first hit the repaired area and get some good coverage of the popcorn on that. Then you're going to go along where the joint compound from the repair meets the existing popcorn. And you want to go in a circular motion, and it feels better that way if you go in a circular motion. Doesn't take long to do these at all. So again, I'm just filling, going in different directions. This popcorn ceiling's gonna get painted once I'm done with all the texturing. I'm also doing some orange peel on that repair behind the plastic, but I'll go ahead and show you that in another video. Got another spot to hit. All right. So that's pretty much it as far as the texture matching goes. I'm going to show you how I pull the plastic down. I do reuse the tacks that I used to hold the plastic up out on the ceiling. So basically you're just going to pull the tack out. You want to be sure not to let the wet side of the plastic touch the walls or you if possible. The walls are more important than you are though. Haha. That's the door. I'm just kind of splitting that up. Again, you want to fold it in towards the wall as you go. Keep watching because I'm going to step back and you're going to see how good this popcorn ceiling blends. I used it's a medium popcorn texture mix made by Sheetrock. It's the medium poly popcorn texture mix. Last tack here, and there's the popcorn texture match. What I did is I blended it or feathered it out into the existing. That's how you get a perfect popcorn ceiling repair. Got to give yourself enough room, feather out. That's the key. I mean, that blends perfectly. Once the painters are done here painting the ceilings, it's going to be a perfect match. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried to match a popcorn ceiling and how it turned out. There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description. And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to step up your drywall,